Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. If y'all have never seen me before, this may not look unusual, but if you have, you like Amber, your hair is blonde. Yes, y'all, my hair is blonde. So today I used the Curls Unleashed temporary ColorBlast hair wax, and this is what it looks like in the jar. This is the color Bombshell. This is how it dries and looks in my hair. Y'all, I go all into this hair wax throughout this video. I show you how I got this style using this. So if that interests you, just keep watching. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be trying out some color. Some hair wax, not some actual color. Now, I've used this before and I used it once. And I haven't touched it again because I have flakes everywhere. Like, I wore a black turtleneck. This is, I'll show y'all the color of this. It's literally like a gold. I had gold flakes everywhere. And I was like, oh no, this ain't gonna work. But I did see the Glam Twins just did a video a couple weeks ago using the same color wax, but they did it differently than I did. So today I'm going to try to use it in a different method. So how did I use it last time? Last time I did a wash and go, but I put the leave-in on my hair, then I did gel, then I did the hair wax. And I also saw some other people did that and they complained about the flaking. So I'm not gonna use any gel. That's what I'm gonna attempt to do this time. However, if I'm not gonna do gel, I'm not gonna do a wash and go. So I'm gonna do a twist out. So I'm gonna attempt to do a twist out with the hair wax. All right, you guys, so I just washed my hair. I am going to, like I said, do a twist out, but first I'm gonna go ahead and put some leave-in in my hair. Okay, so now that I've got that leave-in all throughout these two sections, I'm gonna go ahead and put this natural curl defining cream. I'm gonna section it in 4 sections, put this all throughout, and then I'll come back and start going in with the wax. So now I have my curl cream all throughout my hair. Now it's time to go in with this wax. I've got gloves on. The directions say wear gloves during application. Take an adequate amount of color wax in your hand. Use fingertips. Apply product to your hair. So I'm about to be real extra. And I'm going to try to like ombre. Y'all, I have no, like, I ain't got no experience with this, but I'm gonna try it because I can, and we're quarantined and I don't have anything to do. Okay, so instead of using a big section, I'm gonna go ahead and do my sections as I would my twists. Apply the wax, twist up that section, then move on. That's my plan right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this bottom section here and go ahead and pin the rest of this hair up. I really don't like using the gloves because I can't get a feel for my hair. But I know it's moisturized because it's got that curl cream in it. So this is the wax. It's thick actually. And so in my attempt to ombre, what I'm gonna do first is rub it onto my gloves. This is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna start kind of in the middle of my hair and just kind of start to rake it down just to get the color set in my hair first. Okay, so this is the color. You see I've kind of raked it through these sections. So now to ombre, I'm just gonna start adding more wax to the lower parts of my hair. So I'm gonna take some more wax, and instead of starting up higher this time, I'm gonna grab low and just intensify the color down here. Like that. And then start to kind of go up a little bit. Like I said, y'all, I have no experience in doing this, but this is me just trying to see what I can make shake. Okay, so this is what that section looks like. This is my attempt to ombre with color wax, y'all. We just gonna see how this turns out. But I think this is probably the best way to do it. My ends are good and gold, and then it kind of works its way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up, and then we'll go to the next section. Okay, so I got 2 twists done with my attempt to ombre with the waxing. Y'all, this wax smells like your granddaddy's cologne, or like, yeah, like somebody's cologne. I don't know, but I mean, it doesn't stink, but it does smell like somebody's uncle that be at the cookout with the slide-ins. It smelled like his cologne. I don't know, whatever. Going to go ahead and continue with these twists, y'all, and I'll just let you guys watch. Is after I do a section, so that I don't take too much of the wax, especially when I'm getting down these ends that have a lot more on them, so that I don't take that to the new section when I'm detangling. I'm just kind of raking my hands on a t-shirt just to get some of that excess off, so I don't carry it to the new section that doesn't have any wax on it yet. I know the dimming brush is gonna put a little in there, but not as much as my hands would. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, so that you don't carry too much of that wax over unintentionally. Okay, I'm done with my twist and my attempt to ombre they're starting to dry over here. Let me take these, well, no, let me keep these gloves on. They're starting to dry over here. And this is what they look like. Yeah, I'm curious to see how this comes out, y'all. Now, what I am gonna do is, like, you see it's gotten all over my, like, robe right here. This is the shirt that I was wiping my hands off on. And so I know with a lot of waxes, they tend to, sometimes they stain. These temporary colors aren't so temporary. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wash this just in the washing machine along with this shirt, just to see, and so I can show you guys what they look like tomorrow when I take my hair down. But yeah, this is my hair. I'm gonna let this air dry for the rest of the day. I'm gonna try my best to keep my hands out of it, especially since it's got color on it. I'm probably gonna keep this on and let my hair just kind of dry for a while, and then I will go on about my day. So I will come back tomorrow. Just finished taking down my twist. Now I'm about to lay my edges. They're a little bit laid because I had it pulled back in the twist, but I'm gonna redo my edges. But I'm gonna wash my hands. Before I did that, I wanted y'all to see my hands. There is, my hair is completely dry, but there is some gold on my hands. So it is still coming off, but this is my whole head and it's really just on my fingertips, so it's not that bad. Now, I wore a black dress on purpose so that I could see whether I also had gold flakes. So I'll show you guys. I also have some gold flakes kind of on my chest area and on my dress. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I'm gonna wash my hands because this stuff is getting on stuff as I touch it. So I'm gonna wash my hands, do my edges, and then come back for y'all. Y'all, this is so pretty. I loved how this turned out, y'all. Like, do y'all see my hair? It looks so good. It literally looks so good. I'll let y'all see the back of it. How y'all think I did with the ombre? Like, does it look ombre? To me, it kind of does, right? It kind of does. It kind of does. It kind of looks ombre. All right, so y'all see what it looks like. Let's get into the details of it. I told y'all that I was going to wash both the robe that I had on and the shirt that I was using to kind of rinse this off on my hands. So this is the shirt. This is the robe, the color, so that's good. It's not staining my clothes. I did let y'all see when I was taking it down, and even now I still have a little bit on my hands, and there's a little bit on my dress right now. But honestly, it's way better than it was the last time. I think I showed y'all I used it last time. If not, I'll put a picture right here. But when I did that wash and go, I used gel. And it was literally flaking everywhere. Like, I couldn't even do this without just like a rainfall of color. Not this time. I can move my hair and everything, and there's a little bit of flaking. So I won't say that it's 100% like not gonna flake and get on your clothes. I will say that it's better now that I did not use a gel with it. Try it out, y'all. But it definitely did make a difference that I did not use gel. Now, the second thing about this is this wax has a little bit of a hold to it. Like, I know that I used that curl cream that has a medium hold, but y'all, this wax has a little bit of a hold to it too. So that's good. I actually like that. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments about the wax that I didn't address in the video, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer any questions. But yeah, y'all, that's it. This is my attempt to ombre my hair blonde with temporary hair wax. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.